Do 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 do. Here I come, daddy. Oh no, you caught me wearing the freak bling.
Caillou.
Daddy?
Yes, son, I will do anything for you now, anything. Son? What are you doing, Caillou? Speak to me. Son? Son? Son, what happened?
Touch my forehead, Daddy. Touch it to purge the scary noises from my body.
Okay, son.
Da, 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 drag, da da da, rgh, 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 rgh.
Daddy, wake up. Please wake up, Daddy. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Daddy, are you okay?
No. Ladies and gentle touches on me nose. Welcome to the Grounded Awards. Please welcome your ghostly host, Scorban.
Hello, losers and fatties of the jury. Today we will be honoring all of the greatest grounds of animate. Hold on to your berries, as this awards may be grounding of you. Okay, you dirty old skeletons that smell like gentle flowers. The first result for best grounding video has happened and appeared here. Hold on while we break this video for impact.
I'm going to eat all the fire alarms at school, ha 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 ha. Yo, it's Blingualiak and today we are consuming the fire alarm. What's up, fire alarm?
Caillou, you seem different today. Why did you say something about eating me?
You will not need to worry about a thing, alarm clock.
Caillou, why is it getting darker? Please answer me. Caillou. Caillou, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry. You just hold up. I need to create a DeviantArt account for what I am about to do. I will be back.
Wow, that was a relief. But what did he say again?
Caillou. He is awake.
Yes, Father. It is a high-quality fire alarm for us to consume.
He looks the delectable Lunchables. Can you please pass the sodiums, Caillou?
Sure, loving fat there.
Caillou, how dare you pass the salty game or shake too slowly? That's it. You are getting sent to the defenders of the lands of the non-existence.
We are the defenders of the land of non-existence, prepared to die.
Oh my god, who even gives a care?